Most founders think overengineering starts when there are too many features. That's not where it begins. Overengineering starts much earlier, before the first screen, before the first feature, before the first tool is chosen. It starts with product decisions that were never made. In this video, I want to talk about why architecture must come before features and how to design an MVP without turning it into a complex, fragile system. Features don't make products complex. Unmade decisions do. Most MVPs become overengineered because MVP architecture was never clearly defined. No one decided what the MVP is actually testing. No one decided who the product is for. Right now, no one separated nice to have from necessary to learn. So features start filling the gaps where clarity should have existed. That's why two founders can build the same idea. One ends up with a clean MVP, the other with a tangled system, not because of skills, because of thinking. Before we go further, a quick introduction. My name is Anastasia. I work with startup founders and small teams at the idea and MVP stage. I don't just build apps. I help people avoid building the wrong things. My role is to turn vague ideas into clear, testable systems that don't need to be rebuilt a month later. Everything I'm sharing here is not theory. It's how I actually think and work with real products. When I say architecture, I don't mean diagrams or technical documentation. Architecture is about making the right decisions and answering very simple questions. Who is this product for right now? What decision does the MVP need to validate? What must happen first for the product to have value? What can safely wait? If you can't answer these, every new feature increases risk. Good architecture removes decisions from users. Bad architecture pushes decisions onto them. Overengineering in early stage startups usually sounds like this. What if users want this later? So founders add extra logic, additional screens, flexible settings, edge cases. Not because users asked for them, but because uncertainty feels uncomfortable. Architecture first thinking does the opposite. It asks what must be true for this MVP to work at all. Everything else is postponed on purpose. This is not limitation. This is discipline. An MVP is not a reduced version of a big product. It's a system designed to answer one question. Is this problem worth solving in this way for this user? If your MVP doesn't clearly test that, it's not an MVP. It's a prototype with hope attached to it. Architecture before features means designing a system to learn something specific. Features are tools. Learning is the goal. When founders come to me with early stage MVPs, the first thing I don't do is open a builder. I slow things down because this is the only moment where slowing down actually saves time. Once architecture is clear, features become obvious, tools become interchangeable, complexity drops naturally. This is how MVPs stay focused, testable, and safe to grow. If your MVP feels heavy, it's usually not because you added too much. It's because you didn't decide enough, early enough. Architecture before features is not about building less. It's about building the right MVP. Thanks for watching.